Yo dudes, before the video starts, I just wanted to say a few things. This tutorial is going to be very beginner friendly. This is probably the last MW2 tutorial I'll be making, so I tried to leave nothing out. Enjoy. What's going on, guys? It's Psnmodz here, and today I'm bringing you guys a tutorial on how to get a mod menu on Modern Warfare 2 on the PS3 only using a USB device. Now, this will not need any sort of custom firmware or jailbreak, whatever you want to call it. You can do this on a new PS3, does not matter. So, let's go over the requirements. You're going to need a PC, a USB or flash drive, and a PS3. Not sure how to do this on Xbox. Fuck Xbox. We're also going to need a friend who can infect us with this mod. I know it sounds really lame, but yes, this does mean you are going to need a modder or friend. But this is where you guys come in, okay? If you are a modder and you mod MW2 and you host what I'm about to show everybody in this video, please don't be shy, leave a comment, okay? I will allow it in this video. Please also keep in mind this must be non-commercial, meaning you cannot be selling CFG in the comment sections, you cannot be advertising your service. Please, only free hosters only. I'm trying to help out everybody here. This is my little disclaimer to you all. Please be mature with this mod, okay? This is a mod. Remember, this is a mod. This destroys online gameplay. This destroys other people's experiences of Modern Warfare 2. And eventually, if we keep going on the same track we're going down, there's going to be 12 people on Modern Warfare 2 in a couple months, okay? Please be mature. A lot of people are coming back to the game, and they don't want to see mod menus, okay? Thanks, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to install this mod menu onto our USB device, okay? So just have the mod menu that you downloaded from the description on our desktop, you know, once it's extracted from WinRAR and stuff, you know, just have it as a folder. But this is what the actual folder will look like. So it's going to have 5 files. This is if you downloaded Mad Gamer V9, I think it is. So yeah, this is the mod menu that we're going to be demonstrating with. So it's called Mad Gamer V9. It was by ZMadGamer. And yeah, so this is where the mod menu is. It's called buttons_default. That's what, you know, the majority of the Modern Warfare 2 mod menus will be titled, just because that is what the infection is in most of the CFG menus. Alright, so all you have to do is simply highlight every single file and drag and drop it onto the root of our USB device. So this is not in any folder on our USB, this is simply just right onto our drive, okay guys? So once that's done, you really don't need your USB anymore, so you can go ahead and right click and eject safely. And we're pretty much done with our USB. You can go ahead and put it into your PS3. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk about the mod menu with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up in Notepad++. So this is what the mod menu will look like, or this is what a common mod menu looks like in actual code form. So all you have to do is just open it up in a Notepad file. Yes, you can open up configuration files in Notepad. But yeah, so it's about 236 kilobytes, and this menu actually has about 1700 lines of code, so it is a lot of code if you're not used to that type of stuff. But CFG is very repetitive, you know, it's pretty much the same coding all the way through. You just need to know the actual mod code. But yeah, so this is, you know, if you're wondering, this is what a CFG menu looks like. Alright, so now I'm going to define the term leeching for you guys. So basically this term is thrown around a heck of a lot in this community, and I'm sure a lot of you guys don't even know what it means. So basically, I have the menu creator here, his name is ZMadGamer. If I were to change, you know, the menu creator to something like Psnmodz, coded by Psnmodz, that would be considered leeching, okay? Something that you didn't create that you are then taking credit for is what I define as leeching. So if I were to go ahead and rename ZMadGamer to Psnmodz everywhere in this menu, and then I were to go ahead and release it onto a website like YouTube or a modding website, and that would be considered leeching. You know, someone would most likely call me out for it because it's not that hard to tell. But what I am fine with is learning and editing this mod menu for educational purposes only, okay? A lot of you guys don't know how to code, and a lot of you guys are probably interested in learning how to code. and I am perfectly fine with it if you're just going to look at someone else's menu. Okay, how do you think people learned how to do a mod menu? They looked at other people's coding. Okay, as long as you're not releasing, as long as you're not, pissing off the menu creator, you should be fine. Alright, so now that we're done with all the CFG, technical stuff that I was explaining to all of the beginners out there, all you gotta do is go on to Modern Warfare 2 on your PS3, get your USB off of your PC and plug it into your PS3, get your friend to host you the infection, the CFG infection. In this game, I actually just infected myself as I didn't have any friends. As I am a huge loner, now I'm playing, I just infected it because it was easier. I will leave a RTM tool in the description if you are a jailbroken user who would like to use it. But all you gotta do is go into split screen, create a new user or a old one, and then simply go to game setup and turn PlayStation Network unlocks on. Okay, so once again, turn it from off to on, and then simply start up the game. Now, it won't necessarily be a free-for-all on terminal. It all depends on the infection you were given. But yeah, so all you gotta do now is just pick a team, spawn in, and then press the button codes that it actually told you to do in the actual infection. So in this case, I have to press select and the D-pad up. And then once you're done with that, it should say the execution code in the bottom left screen. All you gotta do is just quit the game now. Not like the whole game, just quit split screen. And then simply back out of split screen, go back into private match, start up a game, obviously change the map. It doesn't matter which map, just make sure it's not the good old checkerboard or that'll freeze your PS3. The checkerboard only works in split screen. But yeah, so just spawn in, go ahead and press up on your D-pad, and well, bam, there you go. So there's the sexy old Mad Gamer V9. It's a pretty nice looking menu for a CFG menu, you gotta say, man. It's really progressed over the years. But yeah, so like I said, downloads will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like. A lot of editing did go into it. If you enjoy this type of video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I do lots of PlayStation 3 modding videos. Anyways, guys, it's been Luke, and I'm out. Peace.